I know a lot of you would say that this is a very dirty small boarding house, and I agree with you. I want to make this small room less dirty, so come with me to renovate it. Though this is a very small room, but it also has a lot of potential, I swear. I gave myself 2 days to work on it. So first, I bought 2 foams. One is Uratex and one is Mandawi. So cost is 6,000 pesos. I also purchased bed covers, which is a total of 3 comforter and also pillowcases. Speaking of pillowcases, bumili na rin ako ng 2 malalaking unan worth 600 pesos each. Dami kong nabili at nagastos sa aking bagong kwarto. And to tell you honestly, 15,000 po lahat yung mga nagastos ko. I know 15k is too expensive for a very small apartment, pero come to think of it guys, na napakamahal na ng mga bilihin ngayon. Anyways, naglinis na rin ako ng buong kwarto para ayusin yung mga gamit ko. This is not yet the final touch kasi plano kong i-expand yung room. Bali, rerentahan ko yung kabila and